Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are in an African restaurant called Ogili. Come with me and let's go and explore this amazing restaurant. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Come with me and let's go. Come, let's go. Let's go, guys. So this is the restaurant, Ogili restaurant. This is an African restaurant. So basically when you come here, you can eat any African dish. Being Ghanaian, Nigerian, Cameroon, every African cuisine that you really prefer, you are going to get it in this restaurant. So guys, in this African restaurant, you can eat your fufu, your eba, your egusi, and they are specialized in tilapia and red plantain and rice. So they really have all the African dishes here that you can eat. So guys, they also serve pastries. So you can see these delicious meat pies ready for our special guests. So when you come in, you don't only eat fufu, but you also have your meat pies. Guys, as you can see, tilapia with red plantain with some vegetable. Look at this goodies here, guys. So this is something they are specialized in. So come here and enjoy all delicious food from your African kitchen. This restaurant serves very delicious meals, guys. This is authentic fish pepper soup, guys. Look at the vapor. The flavors here is amazing, guys. This is chicken with jollof rice. This is authentic jollof rice with some black plantain. I like the garnish. This looks so appetizing and delicious, guys. So you don't get any of this anywhere except in Ogili African kitchen. So guys, this is really so delicious. This is Paris. So at Ogili's restaurant, all your needs are being met. Look at this delicious. The garnish, it's really something that even gives a lot of appetite to eat your food. So look at this. It feels so delicious and perfect, guys. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, African cuisine is traveling, is going international. Looking behind me, there are even Dutch people eating African food in this restaurant. So come and enjoy these delicious meals at Ogili African Kitchen. So guys, if you don't have time to come to Ogili restaurant to sit and eat, you can sit in your own comfort at your house and order from Taos Bizok or Uber, or you can also visit their website and also order from there. So I'm going to leave the details of the restaurant in the description box below, so that you can sit in the comfort of your home and order. Guys, as you can see, take away. So the guy is also coming for his food. He ordered his food and he's coming for it by himself. So they also do take out. Thank you for coming. Yes. So guys, at Ogili restaurants, they also make catering. So if you are having a party, funeral, engagement, whatever you need food, just contact Ogili restaurant and they are going to serve you with all the delicious African food for your catering service. So guys, they also have all the variety of African drinks here. So if you want raw Fanta from Ghana or Nigeria African drink, just come to Ogili African restaurant and you can have it. You enjoyed it. Thank you so much for coming with me to African Kitchen Ogili. When you are coming to this restaurant, metro station Ghanzenhoef. It's just 3 minutes walk from the metro station. Thank you so much for coming with me. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I'm going to leave the telephone number and the direction on the description box below. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ogili African Kitchen. Bye bye. Kiss kiss. Bye.